Hello, this is Connie Belden, and in this problem, we are going to have a different predetermined overhead rate for each department, but in this case, the departments are going to pick a different activity. Let's assume that we have the assembly department, and their predetermined overhead rate will be $12 per direct labor hour. But in this problem, we have a finishing department, and its predetermined overhead rate will be 60%, and the activity will be based on direct material cost. So they're using two different activities. Let's assume you're giving the material and labor costs for both assembly and finishing for job 26. Let's go ahead then and fill in the material cost as given above of $250 for assembly, $100 for finishing. So the total is $350. And let's go and fill in the direct labor costs was given at $150 for assembly and $40 for finishing for a total of $190. Next, we have to apply the overhead. So let's go back to it is $12 per direct labor hour. But like in the previous problem, we know the application rate is going to be $12 an hour. We know the actual rate is $20 an hour. We know that in assembly, which is the assembly department that uses the direct labor hours, that the direct labor cost was $150. So we want to do what we did before. We want to take the $150 direct labor cost for assembly and divide it by the $20 direct labor rate per hour. That will give us then that it was 7.5 hours, okay, of direct labor for the assembly department. Now, I only care about assembly because the finishing department, remember, is using 60% of direct material cost. Okay, so I can go ahead and finish applying my overhead. Let's start with assembly, $12 per direct labor hour, and there were 7.5 hours of direct labor. So $12 times 7.5. Assembly will have $90 of manufacturing overhead applied. Okay. Remember, for the finishing department, it's 60% of the direct material cost. The direct material cost for finishing is $100. $100 times 60% means that we will apply $60 of manufacturing overhead to finishing. 90 plus 60 means a total of $150 of manufacturing overhead is being applied. I will add vertically the material, labor, and overhead applied for assembly and for finishing. And I can go vertically or horizontally and come up with the total cost is $690. Now, like with the previous problem, if I would like to get that per unit, I would take the total cost of $690. It says, what if job 26 consisted of 10 units? I'll divide it by 10, and that would be $69 even per unit. Thank you very much.